Hey guys, Dave Thomas here at BowRunPlan.com. Today we're having a lot of fun with the Hero X8 target bow, beginner's target bow from Sanlida Archery. Let's check it out. Alright guys, you know how I love a good deal. And this Sanlida Hero X8 target bow is the perfect bow for you to get started in the sport of target archery. It comes with a full package here, including a rest. That is a X8 target bow for beginners here. This bow has that capability to give you the flexibility to get out and learn target arts. You can get this right on Sanlida's website. I'm gonna put the link below, you guys can check it out. But let's talk about the specs. You can get this bow in either black or white. So this bow is an axle 29 inches, brace head is 7.5 inches. The draw weights can range from 7 to 35 pounds, so it fits a huge variety of people, children, women, men. The package will come with one bow, one sight, one drop away arrow rest, one stabilizer long rod, one stabilizer side rod, one wrist release, one arm guard, one finger sling, one bow stand, 6 target papers, 12 arrows. The bow is actually made out of A380 aluminum, so it's actually super light, and the strings are actually BCY USA, so that's pretty cool. One of the cool things about this bow, guys, that I really love is when you get this package, you open it up, you see all these things inside this box, right? Then you, as a beginning archer, a learning archer, get to really play around with the bow without major risk of breaking anything. You can just have some fun learning how to play with the bow, how to adjust draw length, how to add your stabilization, adjust your stabilization, how to put on a rest, how to put on the drop away rest and actually football it to your cable. So I think this is a great learning piece of archery. I love that Sanlida does this. I think that these low price options really help to get new archers into the sport of archery. When you think about all the people who don't hunt and have never shot a bow, this is a great option, guys, for a very low price, just to see if you like it. That's the big thing. Is it gonna bring more people in? I think the answer is yes, and it is pretty cool. So anyhow, let's shoot this bow a little bit and we'll see how it performs. Alright guys, Sanlida target bow here. This is the Hero X8 again. I did stack it up, put everything on it for you guys to see. Again, they give you a different rest with it. I threw a whisker on here for now, but that other rest actually probably work better for this just because it is a very micro diameter arrow they give you, so consider that. You'd want to go ahead and fish that in. But for time's sake here, we're just going to use this one today. Now, I'm really excited. So they give you a release with it, like I said, but I get a chance to use my Cobra harvester. So I'm really excited about it. Actually, I never really get to use it, so since this target, this is the perfect time to try it out. It's not going to, but I'll get it to go underneath. Whoa! First shot was like dead on, seriously. Holy cow, what the heck? So the cool part about target bows is you balance them. And one of the cool parts about that is you have all this weight that you get to distribute however you want to. And when you're doing that, it's fun to play with that ability to change the weight and the way the bow feels. Because it changes everything when you get this bow dead steady because of the weight. Oh my gosh, guys, like, I'm actually hitting dead center. I'm not kidding. Like, if I could be a target professional archer, maybe I should. Maybe Sanlida has got me going that direction, right? I don't know. This thing's pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie, guys. For around 350 bucks, this is a genius little thing to pick up. Alright, this bow was set at 30 pounds. I went and tested the weight real quick, so it feels really nice at 30 pounds, I'm not gonna lie. It actually can range in that. And this scope is actually legit. It actually is a scope. And it zoomed in on that target for me, which is pretty cool. Yeah, again, the Hero X8, just a great option to get you and your family outdoors, learn archery, have some fun with it. I think the black looks pretty stunning, but to be honest, I would love to see this in the white. I think that would look so cool, how much it would pop. Hats off to these guys. I think they did an excellent job creating something that people can use and learn archery.